to guitar maintenance. Right, so I've actually done the stone and fretting bit. Just look at me piece of tissue. Right, now I'm going to clean the frets and the actual fretboard. So here we go. So I'm just going, it's only tissue there. I've got another piece. So I tend to go over it quite a few times, clean the actual board and everything. It gets really dirty anyway. So cleaning that, clean this a few times. So it's looking, just gets some dirt on there. It's obviously been. I just change my strings over probably about twice a month, or maybe less than that. It just depends on, if they start to tone goes on them and things like that. Anyway, so I've got some metal polish there. So you only want to use a little bit of this if you've got some, go to a hardware store or somewhere like that. So I'm done. Sounds like Jane Oliver. So I use a little bit of that. Right. So now I'm gonna have that on there. That on there. Might get a little bit on the fretboard, but it doesn't matter. That there. That there. That there. That there. That there. And so on. Right there. There. So it just cleans up them frets and gives it too much there. But I'll wipe that off anyway. You shouldn't. Well, I've done it for a long time, so it doesn't matter. Right now, I'm gonna clean that off again. So get that. Just makes it go a little, regardless of what anyone says. Just makes it go a bit. So I'm cleaning that. Put some elbow grease into this cleaning. Right. There. Right. That. So you get a lot of dirt on this. So I'm going to turn that over. So I've got to clean the side. So this is cleaning it up. Looks a bit. There. So put a bit of elbow grease there. Right. Now next bit is some guitar cleaner. This is only lemon oil. Get it from a guitar store. It's not expensive, or Amazon. Some order it off Amazon. Right. Okay. So I'll put a little bit. I don't use a lot on it. Only a little bit. Yeah. That's about enough. Yeah. Right. So now I'll do the same. So it cleans it up. Yeah. There's a bit of elbow grease there. Clean around all the machine heads, get that nice and clean. Be like a new guitar, yeah? Right. Okay. So the dirt come off. I'll try and find enough. Should use more tissue, but doesn't matter. Right. Guitar's looking clean.